Welcome to Reviewsinside Today, we're taking a close look at the Vacmaster Professional Beast Series VFB511H 5-gallon wet-dry vacuum, a powerful and versatile tool built for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its 5.5 peak horsepower motor and impressive air watts, this wet-dry vacuum is designed for serious cleaning, whether you're dealing with dust, dirt, or liquid spills. Let's break it down to see how it performs in real-world use and whether it truly lives up to its name. The Vacmaster VFB511H is no ordinary vacuum. It boasts a 5.5 peak horsepower motor that delivers 320 air watts of suction power, a key specification that speaks directly to its ability to handle even the most demanding messes. Whether you're cleaning a garage, workshop, or just need a vacuum that can take on more than the average household model, this one promises high performance. But what does that really mean? In simple terms, air watts refer to the efficiency of the vacuum's suction, and 320 is on the higher end, indicating that it can remove dirt deeply embedded in both carpets and hard floors with ease. Let's talk about how it handles different cleaning environments. The VFB511H is built to tackle both wet and dry messes, making it a great option for workshops, garages, or even for cleaning up after water-related accidents. It comes with a high-efficiency cartridge filter and dust bag, capable of capturing fine dust particles as small as 1 micron. This is particularly important for those with allergies or asthma, as it helps prevent tiny particles from being released back into the air during cleaning. The filter setup is easy to maintain, and the addition of the dust bag makes cleanup even more convenient. This vacuum also boasts an impressive cleaning reach with a 25-foot power cord and a kink-resistant hose, offering plenty of flexibility for large areas. The hose, in particular, stands out for its durability. The premium material resists kinking, which means fewer interruptions during your cleaning sessions. Whether you're working on a car interior or navigating tight corners, the 9 included accessories like the crevice tool, utility nozzle, and car nozzle ensure you have the right tool for the job. This versatility makes it ideal for a range of tasks, from cleaning hard-to-reach areas to handling heavy-duty jobs. Ease of storage is another consideration, and Vacmaster has thought of that with the VFB511H. It features onboard hose, cord, and accessory storage, so everything stays organized and easy to access. The oversized latches also provide a secure seal for the dust container, ensuring that nothing escapes while you're working. Whether you're storing it in your garage or moving it around a worksite, the VFB511H is easy to manage. Real-world testing reveals just how well the VFB511H performs. During use, it offers an impressive suction power that can easily lift embedded dirt from carpets and rugs. On hard floors, it excels at picking up both fine dust and larger debris without leaving much behind. The wet vac feature works just as well, effortlessly sucking up liquid spills without the hassle of switching tools. One area where this vacuum shines is in its ability to clear out dirt from areas like under furniture, thanks to its versatile hose and attachments. Cleaning stairs or your car's interior with the included tools was a breeze, thanks to the precise control and compact design. However, no product is without its drawbacks. The VFB511H is a bit on the heavy side, which may make it a challenge for some users to maneuver, especially during prolonged cleaning sessions. It's also worth noting that while the vacuum has plenty of power, this comes at the cost of some noise. It's not the quietest machine, which might be a concern for those in quieter environments or homes with sleeping children. Another point to consider is its size. While its 5-gallon capacity is great for larger jobs, it might be a bit too bulky for those with smaller storage spaces or apartments. In terms of value for money, the Vacmaster Professional Beast Series VFB511H strikes a solid balance between price and performance. At its price point, you're getting a high-powered, durable wet-dry vacuum that can handle a variety of tasks. It competes well with other heavy-duty vacuums in the market, like the rigid 16-gallon wet-dry vacuum, which offers similar features but with a larger capacity, or the ShopVac 5-gallon, which is slightly more compact but still offers great performance for household jobs. When comparing it to other options, you'll find the VFB511H holds up well. The suction power, in particular, stands out against many competitors, including lower-end models from brands like Black & Decker. The filter and dust bag system is also more efficient at trapping fine particles compared to some other vacuums in the same category. However, if you're looking for something lighter or quieter, you might want to explore other models that specialize in those aspects. Looking at build quality, the VFB511H is solid. The vacuum feels sturdy, with premium materials used throughout its construction. The oversized latches and reinforced hose add to its durability. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy-to-clean filters and an efficient dust collection system. The brush roll is designed to handle long hair and pet hair, but like many vacuums in this class, you'll want to check for tangled hair periodically. Customer support from Vacmaster is generally well regarded, though I didn't need to reach out directly. However, based on the brand's reputation, you can expect decent after-sales service if any issues arise. In conclusion, the Vacmaster Professional Beast Series VFB511H wet-dry vacuum is a powerful and versatile option for those in need of a heavy-duty vacuum that can handle both wet and dry messes. Its large capacity, powerful motor, and array of accessories make it a solid choice for a variety of environments, from garages to workshops. While it might not be the best for those seeking something ultra-light or super quiet, it offers great value for its price, especially considering its performance and durability. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle large-scale messes without breaking a sweat, the Vacmaster VFB511H is a solid contender. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. The link to get the Vacmaster VFB511H is in the comments box, so check that out if you're interested. If you have any questions or if you've already tried this vacuum, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep things clean and stay mess-free.